Here's Amos playing on the kangaroo climber. The best birthday present a little boy could ask for.
Can you get through the hole? Show him how you can get through the hole. Come here. Get through the hole?
Here he comes, diving out the hole. Yep, lead with your face, son. Always a good idea.
Watch how he shuts the door behind him. Let him do it.
Bubba, can you say hi? Say hi. Woo! All right, that's enough for now.